Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to discuss about SINP program, that what is the SINP program, how to create expression of interest for SINP program, what to do after getting ITA from SINP, means what documents you have to submit, and I have explained in detail that how you have to submit the documents step by step, and after completion of submission of documentation then you will get the nomination and what the steps you have to follow after getting the nomination. So if you are interested then stay tuned. Everyone, I am Manpreet from Immigration Talks Canada and I regularly update videos about Canada immigration, and you can subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Okay guys, first of all, for SINP, we have to create expression of interest after calculating our eligibility. And if you want to know about how to calculate your eligibility, then you can check out this my video, that is SINP part 1 complete details. Here I have explained each and every detail about your eligibility. And after calculating your eligibility, you have to create expression of interest for SINP. That I have explained in this video, and I have shared the links for these videos in my video description box, and you can check out these videos for more information. Now, after skipping these two processes, now we got ITA, means invitation to application, after your profile is selected in SINP draw, and after that you have to upload the documents on SINP portal. And how to upload these documents, that we will discuss in this video. First of all, you will get this screen when you will enter into the SINP portal, where you have to put your user ID and password, and after that this screen will open where you have basically two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. In the part 1, the first screen will be open like this, eligibility for application. Here you have to enter the details about your express entry profile if you are if you linked your express entry profile. Otherwise, if you are occupation in demand, then there is no need to fill these details, and you have to fill the other basic details. Then the step second is the skilled worker points grid. These are automatically calculated, means on the what points your profiles has been selected. So here there is a simple description about those points, and these are pre-calculated, means you can't change after getting ITA. And in the step 4, the applicant details, means here the simple details like age, your birth country, your preferred language, your occupation code, and your highest qualification degree. So these are pre-filled, means that you have filled these details already at the time of creation of your expression of interest. Now the main part starts from here. The first thing is ethical conduct disclosure and declaration form, and you can download this form from this link, and you have to just print it, sign it, and then scan it and upload here, that is here in the tab of document uploads. After that you have to click on the option of information and information disclosure, means applicant declaration and consent, that is some kinds of terms and condition, that you have to click on the option of yes. So this is very simple, and after that we will move to the another step, that is the step 7, that is the citizenship. Here you have to fill about your details about your citizenship. In my case, I am from India, so my citizenship is by birth, and I have selected the option of my country, that is India. you can select according to your home country. After that, here you don't need to upload any document. After that, here it is a birth document, birth certificate, and it is mandatory. You have to upload your birth certificate. Here I have uploaded my birth certificate, and if it is in the your mother language, then you have to translate it into the English. The guidelines are explained on the website of SINP, and you can check out there. After that, you have to upload your passport details and a copy of passport, that is the colored passport, and all the pages where anything has been stamped. So you have to upload all those pages. So you have to upload these documents in PDF form, scan it, and then make a PDF file, then upload. Then marital status, and you have to upload your marriage certificate if you are married, and so accordingly the different guidelines are for the different kinds of relationships. For example, if you have divorced, then you have to upload documents accordingly. Common law partner, there are different documents. So after that, the education records. Here you have to upload your ECA report, means educational credential assessment report, with including with your educational degrees, means you have to upload the copies of your degrees as well as mark sheets or transcripts. Then you have to show the details about your work experience, means your job duties and responsibilities. You have to the detail here, that you can check here. After that, you have to upload the details about your language ability test, and you have to upload the IELTS certificate, IELTS TRF report here. And after uploading these documents, then this is the final page, means the final page of part 1, means do you have any family in Saskatchewan. If you have any family, then you can click on the option of yes, otherwise no. And have you previously submitted a provincial or federal Canadian immigration application? If you have applied, then click on the option of yes. If not, then no. Accordingly, the options will be shown in the part 2. So friends, it is the end of part 1 portion. Now we will move to the part 2. Part 2 will be shown only after completion of the part 1. So in the part 2 application, basically you have to submit about the details of your express entry profile. Here, because I have filled that my case is SINP express entry, so I have to fill the details about my express entry. So here you have to also check on the option of yes, that you are using your own credit card for the payment. And then in the step 2 of the part 2, that have you any connection to the Saskatchewan. In my case it is no. If it is yes, then you have to fill the simple details about those options, means have you worked in the Saskatchewan or have you studied in the Saskatchewan. Accordingly you have to fill the details. After that, you have to upload and fill the details about your settlement funds. And friends, your settlement funds must be 90 days old. That is the strict condition. So accordingly you have to upload the proof of your settlement funds, means your bank balance certificate or your 6-month statement. So accordingly, here you can see the various types of settlement funds. And then the next thing is that family member, that your spouse or your dependent children, you have to fill about the details of your spouse, and then you have to enter into the personal screen of view application screen for family member. When you will click on that, then the screens for the family member will be opened. Like in my case, my screen for my spouse, that is the birth certificate. I will upload the I have uploaded the birth certificate of my spouse here, and simple, and I have filled the simple details. Then about the details of passport, and I also upload the document, that is the passport here. After that, here it is a form, that is a background or declaration form, that you can download from this link. They have provided the link, so you can download the form, that is a schedule A form. After you will fill this form, you will sign it and then scan it and upload here. Similarly, you have to download the some other forms like additional family information. These are very simple forms, so you have to download these forms from these links, and then you have to sign it, and after that you have to scan it and then again upload here. And at the last, marital status, that is married, and you have to upload the marriage certificate. That is the same for the, I think, primary applicant. So these are the details about the family member. If in my case it is only one, so in the most of cases, or in your cases it may be 2 or 3, including your dependent children. Then you have to fill about your details of previous application. If you have applied in the past and your application is rejected or accepted, in my case my application was rejected once, so I have filled all the details, and I have uploaded also the rejection document. So you have to show here all the detail, and after that you have to fill these forms, that is generic application form for Canada, and you can download this form from this link, and same procedure, download, and after that you have to fill it, scan it, and then again upload here. Then additional family information, that the same kind of form that we have filled in the case of family member. So same here you have to fill the details about your immediate family members, and these details are very simple, means we have to fill about the details of their birth, their residence. So these simple kind of details we have to fill. And here again, schedule A, background or declaration form. So here we have to show our personal history or residential history as well as educational history. So you can check these kind of details. These are very simple details. You have to just print it, then again scan it and upload. So friends, it is all about the SINP documentation. So we will discuss about the details about nomination, that how will you get the nomination, and what is the what it looks like, that how you will get, when you will get a nomination, and after getting the nomination what you have to do, what steps you have to follow. If you get the nomination for SINP OID, then what you have to do, and if you get the nomination for SINP Express Entry, then what you have to do. So I will discuss these details in my next video. So please, if you like my video, then please share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.